Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be going over step by step the process for signing up and getting ready for the 2018 WLG Summer Strong Challenge. That and much more coming up next. Hi, I'm Kendra here at Workout Like a Girl, and on a side note, keep sending in those single arm handstands. They are awesome. But before we get into the nitty gritty of this video, please feel free at any time to hit the subscribe button. We will keep true to our mission to help you get moving, get you sweaty, get you feeling great, and doing it all over again. Whoop whoop! Okay, so you've made the big move to join us for the 2018 Summer Strong Challenge. Awesome. Thank you so much for jumping in. We can't wait to help you through this journey and ramp you up for summer. Buckle up because you are in store for an awesome ride. Beach Roddy, woo! Step 1, go to workoutlikeagirl.com and decide on which Summer Strong Challenge package you prefer. We have 4 packages to choose from: Base, Training, Ultimate, and Platinum. After you pick your challenge package, you can choose any add-ons at that time. We have keto education, the elimination diet, as well as an amazing 12-week running program. After that, you simply check out. Step 2, you want to ask to join our private Facebook page. The link is down below. Only those who have registered will be accepted, so please don't request to join the page prior to your enrollment in the challenge. From the Facebook page, you will also receive weigh-in instructions. It'll go through the entire process step by step, from the measurements, the pictures, to your body fat testing. From there, if you have any questions, you can ask them directly on the page. You can ask myself or one of the admins, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Step 3, from the private challenge Facebook page, you will be asked to create your Fit Client profile. The login information will be posted only to the Facebook page. This Fit Client site is the private hub of week 1 before pics, weight, measurements, and body fat. Only you and your coach, that's me, will see this data. Additionally, we will need this website to enter your Friday weekly weigh-ins, as well as our week 4, week 8, and our final week 12 weigh-in information. Step number 4, you're going to download the Workout Like a Girl app. This app is available through our iTunes store and Android. You're going to use this app to book all your classes for the challenge. Don't forget, you cannot register for classes until February 24th. So don't be concerned if you cannot book classes prior to that date. And lastly, it is time to shop. You will need to get some challenge starting supplies handy if you don't already have them. Below is a list of some things that we believe will ensure your success during the next 12 weeks. Simply click the link below to get the products delivered directly to you. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. And if you want to find out more about the 2018 challenge, check out the website or the description below. Love all your faces. I can't wait to see you soon. And until next time, don't forget to get moving, get sweaty, feel great, and repeat. Thank you, everyone. No, I'm sorry. Hello, America. You guys. Oh my God. Is it on? Just kidding. No, I'm sorry. All right, and repeating that.